I snuck down here real quick to show you our cheesecake. The caramel is baked right into the cheesecake. Oh. You start with the caramel so it has time to cool. Light corn syrup pours better if it's heated just a little. And bring this up to 345 degrees. And this takes forever in our book, like a whole 10 minutes. It'll start to turn amber near the end. Whisk in half a cup of heavy cream and your unsalted butter. Pour it into another bowl to stop the cooking. Why do I believe this guy? I don't know. Dum Dum, are you sure this is the right way? Oh, no. Huh? Dum, this better be the right way. Our salted pretzel crust is the best compliment. 2 cups of graham crackers, half a cup of brown sugar, pulverized, round and round and round and round. Ooh. Let that soak in there a moment. Getting an even crust is always the trick. We go slowly and work it around and up. There's enough if you want to go all the way up the sides, or just leave it a tad thicker and lower like we did, and bake for 10 minutes. Glitzabelle got the peach. Jeannie took the eggs. I got glitter in my teeth. Taffy in my hair, and nothing but shame in a paper cup. Cried muffins. This pan of hot water is gonna produce the steam we need to bake it right. We're not using the traditional hot water bath here where you put the whole thing in the water. Everything needs to be at room temperature. Lump prevention. The safest and fastest way is putting it on a big bowl of warm water, about as warm as your dishwater. They'll be ready faster than you can say. Salted caramel cheesecake slid sideways, sloshing sticky syrup across 7 silver saucers. Scrape the bowl after we put in stuff. Mommy, no. What? No, that's not it. No, that's not it. No, eh? Well, if it isn't a pie princess of disappointment. And more brown sugar, 4 eggs, 1 yolk. These farm fresh eggs are harder to separate than store-bought, but they're healthier, so this is a healthy cheesecake. The difference is that the chickens get to roam freely, eating what they do naturally, instead of being cooped up in a cage eating what's in front of them. We have an egg dealer, and we tell you their story in this video here. Click on that pop-up thingy up there and watch that next. Nadia Scorchfield, what are you doing here? I'm recruiting for a very special mission. Recruiting for what? Your galactic glitter grievance group? No, for revenge. 2 tablespoons of flour. Our caramel is still hot and we don't want to cook anything in the batter, so Big Val here is drizzling it in while the beater quickly spreads it around. Teaspoon of vanilla extract. Tap it a few times to get any bubbles to come to the top. big bubbles lead to big cracks. And bake for 2 hours. Then turn off the oven and let it be for an hour. Cool on the countertop for an hour. Look at that perfect jiggle. And then cover lightly in the fridge overnight. Cheesecakes get better tasting the next day. Glitz about, Jeannie, Captain Breadhook, Trishy. They're all chaos in heels, boots, and sequins, but they're also sloppy. They have weaknesses. Oh, yeah, like kindness, sparkles, and annoying optimism. Pour the caramel right on top before serving. It'll continue to drip ever so slowly. Sprinkle about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of kosher salt on top and decorate with some crushed pretzels. Look, it has ears now, just like Jessie Cheesecake. And they won't play with me. They think they've won, but I have a plan. That'll peel their pastry party apart.